odi ite mechano ne menge nande ego cut across virtually every sector of life yabantu bechitago brabu tuchakire chitago brabu. One is an enterprising community nande bakora farming amone biashara ne biashara yapo is just local businesses. It's very simple. Batuale enchera yoko simeke bimeli byabo makibakubira ase echiro bya onigu bya bae bitoki neba food for consumption. Ebe it is still available for them. Ono mechano ne menge. Number 2, karukuligere the health sector as a word ito, it's quite wanting. The health sector is quite wanting because analysis na kolira nkemuna na taliro there is no working public facility ese chitago bara namaleta na tumikiri ga deliberate working public facility nero na kinata kanye ntafsiri
yes
public facility nero batiri working chinya kitali njiro enya kitali nero yetaho batiri gukora gasi mari gotayo no muntu na tware emergency kuru etago ambulance yemo. You can imagine a ward chitago rabwe bwate aba voters close to 20,000. Utwara ambulance yemo yabantu 20,000. I don't think it is something that is prudent. Ngirigento kiaso mo menyibwe chitago barabu nya kitali yemo yoka ase chitago barabu ngima terigento kia asaba menyibwe chitago barabu kyari na abangi. You can imagine koru Nyamondo, Nyamaiya, Munianku, oche Kona, oche Mugenda, oso Kibabe, ogende Nchoro, oche Nyatuoni, ogende Etago, ogende Nyangweta, ogende Nyasasa, ogende Karungu. Just one facility. Ekingerigento kiase ase ward bunelianene. There's a debating anegani ko approve webe constituency. So imagine a constituency where the Italia. So tarigento kia. So there are a lot of things that are not working. The transport sector is not also working completely. I wish I had the power to do it. Timbo atingurunda nyaro, but tingo nyaro wetigari. Magena alichintu kora para kati toko nyaro wetigari. Ono a lot of things are not working completely. That is why no manengo nyendiga asia kolegate ondo to yora chiko buri bora yekere asia kolegate.
Muski nya kabira kitambireka
mbiraika. I think karuna roche mugava na gata bete biko released word by word. The last time na roche bire constituency ya Bobasi tinda manyanga ndipiko so constituency ya Bukirango la meko so chiwodi chaito. But so far mbiraika.